Hello friend, this is Akina and welcome to my channel Designer Planet. Guys, today I am talking about best microwave oven brand. In this particular video, I will share with you all the details. So guys, before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So guys, if you are looking for the best microwave oven and confused about how to select the best microwave, so in this video we will give you all the details like pricing, brand, features and advantage and disadvantage guys. So guys, there are two types of microwave oven. First of solo microwave oven and second is the convection microwave oven. Convection microwave oven can perform all the function of a solo microwave oven but also has additional features like you can grill, you can baking and you can tandoor and roasting. So guys, if you are a food lover, convection microwave oven is the best option for you. And in a solo microwave oven you can only normal cooking and reheat and deforest. It cannot be used for baking and grilling. So guys, there are many top brands available in the market like IFB, LG, Samsung, Morphe, Panasonic and some other brand. These model also available on Amazon India guys. So guys, first of all I talk about IFB microwave oven. It is the best microwave oven brand. It comes with a stainless steel cavity and it's equipped with an LCD display that shows the timer. It comes with overheating protection with turn off automatically guys. It is the main feature that allow you to keep the food warm for long duration also guys. If the temperature gets too high, it is auto off. Main feature is a child lock feature. If you have a young child guys, child lock feature to protect your child from accident also. Using the child lock feature you can lock the microwave oven, which helps to get rid of the any kind of accident. And best part is the capacity also. This product is a perfect combination of multiple modern features and fair price also. The most important feature of the product is its auto cook setting. It comes with a 101 stand menu. And another essential feature of the product is guys multi-stage cooking. And auto reheat is a unique feature of this product. Also, if you have a baby at home, you need to sterilize milk bottle or other utensil regularly. And it can perform any cooking very quickly and the power consumption is low. Second brand is the Samsung brand. Samsung is a trendy brand in the market guys. The microwave oven suitable for all types of cooking including baking and grilling. And guys, this 32-liter convection microwave oven is one of them. And the model comes with multiple excellent features and attractive price. It is the perfect oven for making rotis and paratha and naan and other kind of roti item. And this oven comes with LED display features that are easy to read and understand. And guys, this product does not come with a starter kit. You have to download from the website. Capacity of the Samsung microwave is a 32 liter and it is a convection microwave. You can do all kind of things. Third one is Bajaj Solo microwave oven, guys. This comes with a unique 30-minute timer to control your cooking requirement. It features a built-in alarm system that alert you can completing the cooking process. And this oven comes with 5 power level, and Bajaj manufacturing a range of microwave oven from solo to convection model, guys. They come with a smart option like a timer, multi-station cooking, and safety feature like a child lock system, and overheating protection system is one of the best features. And the microwave comes with 1 year of warranty on the product. And guys, Bajaj is the best solo microwave oven available under 5000. And guys, this price is lower than other brand. Capacity of the Bajaj microwave oven is 70 liter, guys. This compact microwave oven can easily fit anywhere, and it is suitable for a small family. So guys, these are some main brand I have shared with you, and link has been given in the description box, and you can check all the deal and offers on Amazon also. And for more other brand like Panasonic, LG, so guys, you can visit my blog www.designerplanet.blogspot.com. In my blog you can check all the features and pricing and other details like advantage, disadvantage, and also compare price list from other website and local market. So guys, if you have product related queries, you can ask me, and you can mail me, and you can DM me on social media profile like Facebook and Instagram. So guys, these brands are the most trustworthy brand in the market. So guys, it is necessary to compare all the features before purchasing anything, guys, because it helps in using the product for a long time. So guys, this was today's video. I posted about microwave oven in India, best brand. And guys, if you like my video, please hit the like button, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, guys. So guys, see you tomorrow. Thank you guys, thank you very much.